Good evening, all. Today, I would like to take a seminar on the topic touchscreen technology. As we all know, a touchscreen is an electronic visual display that allows users to operate a PC by simply touching the display screen. It is considered to be a two-dimensional sensing device that we can touch, swipe, drag, etc. in XY plane. As we have already know that we have many devices nowadays available, and it is completely consisting of touch screens. And let's move on to the history. Historians considered first touchscreen to be capacitive touchscreen invented by E.A. Johnson at radar establishment, and it used only capacitance. Okay, inventor initially developed this technology for air traffic control, and we have three main components for this touchscreen: touch sensor, controller, software driver. It consists of main components, three main components, and they are touch sensor, controller, and software driver. So let's move to the details of these components. So first of all, we have touch sensor. Touch sensor is just the surface. The touching surface is called a touch sensor, placed over display screen so that responsive area of the panel covers the viewable area of video screen. There should be some voltage change when we use this screen, a touch screen. So sensor generally has an electric current or signal going through it. Touching the screen causes a voltage change or signal change. This voltage change is used to determine the location of touch to screen. And our second main component is controller. Controller is a small PC card, and the controller is usually installed inside the monitor. Controller is usually it is installed inside the monitor. And our last component is software driver, and the driver is a software update for the PC system that allows the touchscreen and computer to work together, and it tells the computer's operating system how to interpret the touch event information that is sent from controller. As we all know, in the case of computer, we use mouse, and touchscreen is same as clicking the mouse at same location. And let's move on to the working. So we have two types of working. Touchscreen technology types and working has two main types. They are resistive touchscreen technology and capacitive touchscreen technology. So a resistive touchscreen technology consists of glass panel coated with two electrically conductive thin metallic layers which are separated by narrow gap consisting of separator dots. In this figure we can see two inner and outer surfaces, and two metallic conductive layers are in between that. When with the voltage passing through this panel, what will happen is that the metal contact acts as a voltage divider, and there becomes a voltage change. We can touch the screen even with pen, gloves, etc. In the case of resistive touch screen, we can use the screen with the pen and gloves or etc. And it is used in ATMs. Mainly this resistive touch screen technology is used in ATMs, printers, etc. Now let's move on to the next category of touchscreen technology, and it is known as capacitive touchscreen. It is the second most popular technology, and here this our screen or the glass panel is coated with a thin transparent charge storing electrode layer. Electric conductivity of human body plays an important role in capacitive touchscreen. Here our humans what interaction towards the screen also plays an important role for capacitive touchscreen. The sensor located at four corners of the screen measures the difference in capacitance and flow of current. It is used in smartphones, tablets, laptops, etc. So the main difference is that resistive technology is used in higher, that means ATMs and all, and this capacitive touchscreen is used for smartphones, tablets, laptops, etc. There is one more category named infrared touchscreen. Let's have a look at infrared touchscreen. Based on the interruption of infrared light on the screen. As the name suggests, it is something which is related to infrared light on the screen, which touches the screen. Panel consists of an array of infrared emitters and receivers that are positioned on the opposite side. When the finger is placed on the screen, the sensor can determine the point of interruption of light. The main advantage of using infrared touchscreen technology is that it has high clarity than others. That is, infrared touchscreen is having high clarity. Acoustic wave touchscreen is another type. It is the most advanced touchscreen technology. Acoustic wave touchscreen. It is based on sending acoustic or sound wave. As the name acoustic means sound wave, which is passed through it through the glass panel. Panel consists of series of piezoelectric transducer and receiver laid along its sides. And we have applications from this infrared touchscreen resistive technology, touchscreen technology, capacitive touchscreen technology and all. We had got many applications. Public access such as museums, library, etc. For the business purposes, restaurants, grocery, etc. For the entertainment, for the computer games, and for military control systems, ATMs, tablets. Touchscreen is found everywhere around this our whole environment. There are many advantages as well as disadvantages for this touchscreen technology. Touchscreen provide users to interact with the computer easily. It is simple and user friendly. Touchscreen provide fast access to any and all type of digital media, and error-free input can be possible for a touchscreen, and it is having fast response. As we all know, fast response is the main advantage of touchscreen technology. But these have many more disadvantages too. That is, problem of fingerprint on display. On our display screen we will have many fingerprints. Problem of fingerprint on display require massive computing power, which leads to slow device and low battery life. It takes longer power. So battery life of our device may get damaged due to the use of long power. Screen has to be big, not miss things while pressing with your fingers. That is, zooming in and zooming out. Things should be completely inside the screen. Cost about 2 or 3 times of amount of existing keyboard display. As we know, we are on our what forefathers have used keyboard display, and we use touchscreen technology. What happens is that cost is about 2 or 3 times of amount of existing keyboard display. And I hope you all understood about the touchscreen technology and its different types and its applications. It is very friendly, fast, accurate, easy, and very fun to operate. When we together use in colleges and all, it is very fun to operate. This technology has been widely accepted nowadays in computers, mobiles, etc. because it is simple and innovative. And designers are trying it to use touchscreen to simplify input commands in future. Mouse boards and keyboards will be replaced for sure. It is very sure that everything will be replaced. Mouse and keyboards may get replaced. And this is my topic, touchscreen technology. I hope you all thoroughly understood about my topic, and I hope you have got a clear cut of classification of different types of touchscreen technology and applications. And this new era, or this now our life, our time, we have been using touchscreen for our every purposes. So I hope it's better to conclude my words. My seminar is going to end here. Thank you so much.